You're being asked here to figure out what is this unknown ion that has a charge of +2 and has the electron configuration of 4s0 3d3 and 4p1. So first things first, I suggest looking at a periodic table. So here we go. So it has a +2 charge, right? So you notice here, 4s, it's 4s0, right? So that means none of the electrons are in the shell anymore, they have been taken away. So normally this makes sense because this is usually the highest energy orbital in a configuration like this. But if you're looking at just 4s and 3d, but you also have this 4p here. So what this is an indication, at least to me, is that this ion might be in its excited state because as you can see here, our 3d, it's a 3d3 configuration. So that means not all of the electrons have been filled. In order to get to the p electron, you have to fill all of these. So hence, this might be an excited state ion. Okay, so looking at this, let's count our electrons then. So if both our s electrons or 2 electrons have been gone, let's count our d electrons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, which brings us to chromium. So our answer should be chromium 2+. So if you still have more questions for why this is, let's take a look at what the electron configuration is for the ground state of chromium for neutral species. It would be for chromium, argon 4s1, 3d5. So in order to have a 2+ charge, or +2 charge, you take away one electron from the s orbital, and you take away one electron from the d orbital. So you're left with 4s, 3d4. However, because it's in the excited state, one electron goes into the next highest energy orbital, which can be the 4p. So you have a 4p1 here.